प्लीज़ दोस्तों मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें।
Hi guys, welcome back to English classes. Welcome in English classes. So today I want to tell you about some information about preposition because in last video I have taught you about the preposition, and that preposition shows you how to make sentences. Okay, so if you want to make sentences, so then after you need for preposition. If you want to make complete sentences, we can say ornament means we can decorative sentences, so that time you need for that. If you want to speak English, for the spoken English also it is very helpful, and also writing a novel, drama, essay, article, debate, so this is very useful to make relation with one sentence to another sentence, with one noun to another noun. Suppose just imagine according to means already you know about that, के अनुसार, and also after means also के अनुसार, after me, after Wordsworth, after William Shakespeare, after John Galsworthy, and after John Milton. So you can use that according to William Wordsworth means equivalent, you can use that same way. And suppose at, use of at also shows for small places, so at village, at Jajuar, at Lasdigi, at Katra, like this. So and also at is used for temporary action. Temporary action. Suppose just I am going to play means I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. So I am at play. You can speak, you can write I am at play. It means I am playing. So same way, suppose next is thing on. Suppose on is a preposition. Now also on can use for shows certain time, certain day, certain events, on Monday, on Tuesday, like this. So you can speak there. So I want to advise you, please read correct how to use correct prepositions. Without studying correct preposition, you cannot beat any big examination, great examinations. You cannot beat that. If you want to study, I am a CBSE teacher. Already I have 8 years experience for in CBSE schools teaching. I'm also teaching 9 to 12 classes. So I know about that. And because CBSE provides you NCERT patterns education, and in NCERT pattern education, if you want to study that, so that time you need for the preposition, subject verb agreement, and determiners, and also active voice, passive voice, narration, connectors, and these are the most important things. Class. So if you want to make sentences, so preposition is the most important character in the parts of speech, in the family of parts of speech. There are 8 members in the family of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, and preposition. So preposition, pre plus position. So already I have made some videos in last videos. Already have taught you some uses of preposition. Now in this video, now I'm going to teach you some important remaining prepositions. Just listen that and read that and make notes. And if you have any query, so you can ask in my comment box. Also you can ask with my Facebook ID. Now you can complain me and I help you. So please subscribe my channel and share, and also provides offer to other friends, other colleagues to share and like and subscribe for getting new videos, and press bell icon. So please I request you to all of you, just I'm going to teach you preposition nouns in third part. So please listen carefully and try to understand that what I'm saying, what I'm teaching to you. So just I'm going to start. So guys, use of means origin or source. के लिए प्रयोग होता है. जैसे he comes of a poor family. he comes of a middle class family. He comes of a middle class family. It means of ओरिजिन, उत्पत्ति का के अर्थ में आता है, ठीक। फिर ऑफ का प्रयोग कहाँ होता है? किसी वस्तु का अंग, किसी वस्तु का अंग के लिए होता है। जैसे दिस इज द निब ऑफ दिस पेन, ऑफ दिस पेन मीन्स दिस इज द कैप ऑफ दिस मार्कर। तो इस मार्क ऑफ कैप के लिए मार्कर का प्रयोग मीन्स ऑफ का प्रयोग किया गया है। जैसे दीज आर द डोर्स ऑफ दिस रूम, ये जो दरवाजे हैं इस रूम के हैं, तो वहाँ ऑफ का प्रयोग किया गया है। मेजरमेंट के लिए किया जाता है, माप तौल मेजरमेंट के लिए। जैसे आई वॉन्ट अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, आई वॉन्ट अ पीस ऑफ पेपर। ही बॉट अ लीटर पेट्रोल, ऑफ अ पेट्रोल, ही बॉट अ लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल। ऑफ का प्रयोग किसी मेजरमेंट के लिए किया गया है। दूरी के लिए भी, डिस्टेंस के लिए भी ऑफ का प्रयोग करते हैं। जैसे द स्कूल इज़ विद इन अ किलोमीटर ऑफ माई हाउस, द स्कूल इज़ विद इन अ किलोमीटर ऑफ माई हाउस। मेरे घर से स्कूल की दूरी कुछ पर है, कुछ किलोमीटर दूरी पे है। तो ये हमारा ऑफ का प्रयोग हुआ। अब हम नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। ऑफ मटेरियल, पदार्थ के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है। हाँ, जैसे दिस हाउस इज मेड ऑफ ब्रिक, दिस हाउस इज मेड ऑफ ब्रिक, एंड दिस क्लॉथ इज मेड ऑफ कॉटन, दिस क्लॉथ इज मेड ऑफ कॉटन। तो ऑफ का प्रयोग मटेरियल के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट आता है संबंध के अर्थ में, संबंध के, रिलेशन के भी लिए ऑफ का प्रयोग किया जाता है। जैसे ही इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ, ही इज अ मेंबर ऑफ माई फैमिली, वो मेरे परिवार का एक अंग है, मेंबर है, मेरे परिवार का एक मेंबर है, व्यक्ति है। तो संबंध के लिए किया जाता है। और उसी तरह से ऑफ है तो हम ओ डबल एफ का भी प्रयोग करते हैं। ऑफ मीन्स सेपरेशन, अलग के लिए, किसी चीज़ से अलग होने के लिए हम ओ डबल एफ ऑफ का प्रयोग करते हैं। यही ऑफ और ऑफ में अंतर है। कहते हैं जैसे ही इज़ ऑफ ड्यूटी नाउ, वह ड्यूटी से ऑफ है, अलग है, मीन्स इतर है। ही जम्प्ड ऑफ द टावर, ही जम्प्ड ऑफ द टावर, वो टावर से जंप किया, वो टावर से अलग हुआ। हाँ, सो दिस द रोल ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन। एंड नाउ जस्ट in my next video I'll teach you some remaining prepositions. So until just wait, and for my next video, and please subscribe my channel and share and like. Please press bell icon to get new notifications, and because I help you and you help me, and after getting such type of activity I'll get some energy and promotions, and I'll for next video. And if you help me, if you support me like this with the help of subscription, with the help of share and like, and also so in that time I will get some more energy for making new videos for you, because it is my work. I'm doing my duty, and just it's your duty to do with me and support me. And if you support me, so I can support you. And now this time it is the very good system for getting communication, getting conversation, to teach students, to teach competitive students, and to teach everyone. Especially for that CBSE board students, UP board students, and either ICSE board students, everyone. This is the common preposition, common grammar, common English. And we are Indian, we don't know about English, but we are very eager to know. So just you are learning here, we all are learners here, and we are learning English. And now just support me with the help of subscription. Please take care and have a nice day, and thank you.